First, who were the Chahamanas feudatories of A. Cholas, B. Palas, C. Pratiharas, and D. Rashtrakutas? Correct answer, Pratiharas. Second question, who shifted the Chauhan capital to Ajaymeru? A. Devapala, B. Mahipala, C. Ajayaraja, and D. Ghori? Correct answer is Ajayaraja. Third question, in which year did Prithviraj Chauhan ascend the throne? A. 1177 CE, B. 1191 CE, C. 1305 CE, and D. 1065 CE? Correct answer, 1177 CE. Fourth, who wrote Prithviraj Raso? A. Bhanabhatta, B. Chanbardai, C. Kalhana, and D. Tulsidas? Correct answer is Chanbardai. Fifth question, who was defeated in the first battle of Tarain? A. Muhammad Ghazni, B. Prithviraj, C. Ajayaraj, and D. Muhammad Ghori? Correct answer is Muhammad Ghori. Sixth question, when did the second battle of Tarain take place? A. 1177 CE, 1192 CE, C. 1305 CE, and D. 1010 CE? Correct answer, 1192 CE. Seventh question, what was the capital of Chauhans? A. Ujjain, B. Patliputra, C. Ajmer, and D. Nalanda? Correct answer is Ajmer. Eighth question, what was the outcome of the first battle of Tarain? A. Ghori won, B. both sides retreated, C. Ghori lost, and D. no battle fought? Correct answer is Ghori lost. Ninth question, which quality were the Rajputs known for? A. Agriculture, B. Chivalry, C. Diplomacy, and D. Trade? Correct answer is chivalry. 10th question, who was the Turkic invader defeated by Prithviraj in 1191 CE? Option A. Muhammad, B. Ghori, C. Rajendra Chola, and D. Shashanka? Correct answer, Ghori. 11th question, where did the Parmaras rule? A. Malwa, B. Bengal, C. Gujarat, and D. Tamil Nadu? Correct answer, Malwa. 12th question, who was the famous Parmara king? A. Devapala, B. Gopala, C. Rajabhoj, and D. Harsha? Correct answer, Rajabhoj. 13th question, where was the capital of Paramaras? A. Tanjavur, B. Dhar, C. Ajmer, and D. Patliputra? Correct answer, Dhar. 14th question, Rajabhoj was also A. trader, B. philosopher, C. dancer, and D. sculptor? Correct answer, philosopher. 15th question, in which year did the Parmaras fall to the Delhi Sultanate? A. 1192 CE, B. 1010 CE, C. 1305 CE, and D. 850 CE? Correct answer, 1305 CE. 16th question, Who founded the Pala dynasty? A. Devapala, B. Mahipala, C. Gopala, and D. Shashanka. Correct answer, Gopala. 17th question. When was the Pala dynasty founded? A. 850 CE, B. 750 CE, C. 950 CE, and D. 1050 CE. Correct answer is 750 CE. 18th question. Who succeeded Gopala? A. Shashanka, B. Harsha, C. Devapala, and D. Bhoja. Correct answer, Devapala. 19th question. Under whom did the Pala Empire grow the most? A. Mahipala, B. Devapala, C. Ashoka, and D. Rajendra. Correct answer, Devapala. 20. What was the religion of the Palas? A. Hinduism, B. Jainism, C. Buddhism, and D. Islam. Correct answer is Buddhism. 21. What major university did the Palas revive? A. Takshashila, B. Nalanda, C. Kashi, and D. Ujjain. Correct answer, Nalanda. 22. Where was Vikramashila located? A. Punjab, B. Bengal, C. Odisha, and D. Gujarat. Correct answer is Bengal. 23. Who defeated Mahipala? A. Ajayaraja, B. Devapala, C. Rajendra Chola, and D. Chanbardai. Correct answer is Rajendra Chola. 24. When did the Sena dynasty take over Bengal? A. 1250 CE, B. 1305 CE, C. 1000 CE, and D. 1100 CE. Correct answer, 1250 CE. 25. The Palas were known for supporting A. Rajput kings, B. Hindu temples, C. Buddhist learning, and D. maritime trade. Correct answer, Buddhist learning. 26th. Who was the father of Muhammad of Ghazni? A. Ghori, B. Sabuktagin, C. Devapala, and D. Bhoja. Correct answer is Sabuktagin. 27th. When did the Muhammad of Ghazni start invading India? A. 1010 CE, B. 1200 CE, C. End of 10th century, and D. 1305 CE. Correct answer, end of 10th century. 28. How many times did the Muhammad raid India between 1010 to 1026 CE? A. Once, B. 17 times, C. 3 times, and D. 10 times. Correct answer, 17 times. 29th. Muhammad of Ghazni raided this temple. A. Ujjain, B. Konark, C. Somnath, and D. Nalanda. Correct answer, Somnath. 30. What was Muhammad interested in collecting? A. Land, B. Gold, C. Books, and D. Riches. Correct answer, riches. 31. Who laid the foundation of the Turkish Empire in India? A. Muhammad, B. Muhammad Ghori, C. Shashanka, and D. Bhoja. Correct answer, Muhammad Ghori. 32. Ghori was from A. Ghazni, B. Lahore, C. Delhi, D. Kannauj. Correct answer, Ghazni. 33. Who became governor of Ghazni in 1160 CE? A. Gopala, B. Muhammad Ghori, C. Rajendra, and D. Harsha. Correct answer, Muhammad Ghori. 34. Who did the Ghori fight in the Battle of Tarain? A. Harsha, B. Mahipala, C. Prithviraj Chauhan, and D. Rajabhoj. Correct answer is Prithviraj Chauhan. 35. What was the main reason for the Turkish success? A. Unity of Indians, B. Better technology, C. Weak Indian unity, and D. Bigger numbers. Correct answer, weak Indian unity. 36. Which southern dynasty ruled from Tanjavur? A. Palas, B. Cholas, C. Pratiharas, and D. Paramaras. Correct answer, Cholas. 37. Which region was safe from the northwest invasions? A. Punjab, B. Deccan, C. Rajasthan, and D. Bengal. Correct answer, Deccan. 38. Who ruled between 700 to 1000 CE along with Gurjara Pratiharas? A. Rashtrakutas, B. Cholas, C. Paramaras, and D. all of these. Answer, all of these. 39th. Which year marks the Muhammad Ghazni's raid? A. 750 CE, B. 1010 to 1026 CE, and C. 1192 CE, and D. 1305 CE. Correct answer, 1010 to 1026 CE. 40. When did the Battle of Tarain happen? A. 1010 CE, B. 1177 CE, C. 1192 CE, and D. 1305 CE. Correct answer, 1192 CE. Great job! Thanks for watching the quiz on new kings and kingdoms. Hope you learned something new and had fun too. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting history content. See you in the next video.